Hello guys, you are watching video about BMW E61 5 Series station wagon trunk problem, and I will show you what's going on with my car. If you found this video by Google search, you probably already know that you have problem with a trunk not closing all the way down. I'm gonna show you when you start driving. The error message will pop up like this, trunk open, and on your iDrive you see trunk open. Also, with this error message, you may have problems with light not going off, like in your cabin. And another problem that can be happening with this issue, that your rear wiper might not work. So let me go to my garage where it's gonna be more light, and I will show you what I did to find solution to my problem. And I hope this video will be helpful to other people who have similar car and unfortunately similar problem. And right now I will show you the problem with rear wiper. I'm pressing this lever and nothing happens, but the liquid is getting through that washer nozzle, but the wiper does not work. And if your station wagon has that error message, probably your tailgate is not closing all the way down. You have this really big gap, and you can see from this angle this is not shut completely. And also this tailgate glass is not opening, and like I said, the rear wiper is not working as well. And when you lock your car, you don't hear a signal confirming that your car is locked, and also you can see that alarm is blinking, showing you that something is not closed, and light is continually on. And as you could guys see, I took my trim panel from my tailgate because I was testing extensively, and I checked my wiring on these hinges. And when I took them apart, I took the trim panels away, and I saw that my wiring is totally fine. I started testing my modules over here. So what I did, I tested my module that responsible for trunk, and when I opened the cover, I saw that there was some moisture damage, some water damage, and also I found some water damage in the PDC module and also in tire pressure sensor monitor module. So, and also what I found that these two relays over here, like orange ones, they had some water damage in the connector area. I cleaned everything out with a special solution, but it did not solve the problem. I still had the issue with soft closing mechanism. So what I did, I connected 12 volts to this connector over here, and I saw that my mechanism was working. And also I read on some BMW forums that these locks solenoids that are inside sometimes can be broken, and they can cause exactly the same problem. So I connected 12 volts to this solenoid. It was working fine, so I knew that it was not this lock. I went ahead and I just ordered two relays that are identical to my part number over here. And when I swap them, boom, I have the problem solved. And in my case, the problem was with these two relays, that one of these is responsible for tailgate, is soft closing mechanism, and another one is responsible for wiper blade motor. So in my case, it was very easy fix, but I had to take away so many plastics because I thought that was wiring. So probably you guys gonna have different experience, but I hope this video will be helpful for you to start looking in the right direction. So the only thing you have to check is your mechanism over here that closes your tailgate, also module, check these two relays, and also check this lock over here. Yeah, so these are the components that you have to check when you troubleshooting your tailgate on BMW E61. You just saw me swapping my old relays to the ones I just bought from eBay. I will show you first that tailgate is opening, the tailgate glass is opening. And I will show you that mechanism is working right now. Let me just... Yeah, the mechanism is working perfectly. You can see that gap is gone right now and it works perfectly. And you guys could see it was very easy fix for me, but it took me a while to get to the right solution. I thought that was wiring, and I thought that was tailgate module, but it was just those two relays that caused all my issues. And also I wanted to show you that alarm works fine right now. Car closes and goes into sleep. Let me show you guys that my car goes into sleep. Yeah, you just heard that confirmation. Light goes immediately and you can see that alarm is blinking in its normal red light right now. Yeah, so I hope it's gonna be helpful for you guys who have BMW E61s and also X6, because X6 and E61 they share the same soft closing mechanism and also lock.